So today I've got a great house to show you on the North Shore on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe's Incline Creek Estates. And I'm excited to show you about this property because it is a gated community, and not a lot of gated communities in Incline Village. I think there's only 3 total, and this is one of them. And this is a beauty of a unit, so I can't wait to show it to you. But I'm out here by the gate because I want to show you something that I really like, is how fast the gate opens. I've gone to a lot of gated communities and it takes forever for the gate to know. I know it's only like a few seconds, but it annoys Tahoe Tony, so check this out. So let's check this out. This is in the first phase of Incline Creek Estates, and that was built in 2006. So anything built like after 2000 is considered newer construction for Incline Village. Our town was started in 1964, so a lot of construction in the 60s and 80s, and then everything after that we consider newer. So let's go check it out. It's really beautiful inside. You'd start out in this nice entryway. We've got a 2-car garage here, and then 3 bedrooms downstairs and 1 bedroom upstairs. And what's great about that is most of the townhomes built in Incline Village are 3-bedroom, 2-baths. So this is special in that it's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. So let's go upstairs. There's a beautiful great room, kitchen, and master bedroom I really want you to see. So as you come up the stairs, you're greeted by this lovely great room. Before we get there, I want to show you they have this nice buffet here. And this was an upgrade when these were built. And you also can put in a wine cooler here. A lot of people put in a wine refrigerator here. So you've got the power and everything back there to do that. So if you want to upgrade to a nice wine cooler or a beverage cooler, whatever your style is, you've got the ability to do that here. And there's beautiful cathedral ceilings, dining room, great room combo, and it's really comfortable. I've been in here with many people in here and it's quite comfortable. We've got a beautiful south-facing deck. We've got southeast-facing window here, so you're gonna get a lot of light in the morning as well. And everything you need is right here. It's so comfortable. Another great feature I like about the Incline Creek Estates is they've got a beautiful kitchen, a lot of counter space. Another great thing about the newer design is we have the great room feeling, and then kitchens tend to have a lot of counter space because we like to serve a lot of food nowadays. So this one's great. We've got cabinets here, we've got a bar here, and then a height bar here. So if you just want to have a casual meal at this bar, you've got that. And then all of this beautiful counter space, gorgeous backsplash, double sink with the window here, so the light coming in. And then you have a beautiful pantry here. It's nice and large, so if you need to stock up for a big snowstorm coming, or if you've got relatives coming, you've got plenty of room for all your dry goods. And then I have a gas stove. That's right, we still use gas in Incline Village. I like that. Little microwave, refrigerator, lots of cabinet space. This is a very comfortable kitchen, but yet it's not so gargantuan. I really like that. It's a great job here. So the living room is quite comfortable as well. You've got room for we call this smaller flat screen TV nowadays, right? This used to be big time, and now I've seen people put larger ones up there. So there's room to do that, and there's room underneath here for all of your components, Wi-Fi, and all that kind of stuff. So if you need to store things, games in there as well. Gas fireplace, all you gotta do is hit a button, gas comes on, it'll heat this room up very nicely. And then just the way everything is arranged, you see the fireplace, the TV, the kitchen. It's smartly designed. We've got a ceiling fan to help keep things cool. And excitingly, they put air conditioning here because there's about a week or so in Tahoe that is kind of warm and it's not super comfortable like it is almost every other day of the year. So they have air conditioner split in the master bedroom and one in this main room. The downstairs place plenty cool enough. But another great thing is they have this beautiful deck out here. It's a good sized deck. There's enough room out here for a nice table and some chairs. They've got electricity, they've got gas, so if you want to put a gas fireplace, or not fireplace, but a gas barbecue, or even like one of those little gas fireplaces out by your table, that's possible. And they have a nice awning that comes out because this is south facing, so you're going to get some sun here. And they've got really nice views. This is one of the only units that has views of the mountains. All the other ones are situated so they don't get to see the views of the mountains. It's the only unit in here that has views of the mountains. So on the main floor, we do have a half bath as well to service anybody if you're entertaining, or if you just want to go right here, you don't have to go in the master bedroom. But before we go in the master bedroom, because it's pretty special, I want to introduce myself. I'm Tahoe Tony. I'm the founder of Living in Tahoe, this YouTube channel you're watching. So if you like this, go ahead and subscribe below. You can click on the notifications bell, be the first one notified about another great video about living in Tahoe. So now that I've done that, let me tell you about this master bedroom here. Beautiful inside, very good sized master bedroom, lots of windows, cathedral ceilings, ceiling fan. We've got a beautiful fireplace and the air conditioner split in here. So even on those hot summer nights, we have a few of those in Tahoe, not very many. It's gonna keep it nice and cool. So with a master bedroom this luxurious, you expect there's gonna be a luxurious bathroom as well, and it's a spa type bathroom, and they've got this nice barn door to separate the master bedroom for this gorgeous bathroom. But it's a beautiful bathroom. They've got a beautiful jetted tub. It's big enough for 2 people to soak in. They've got a nice shower. They've got double sinks, so 2 people can be ready to dive, and there's plenty of counter space. And they've got a really good size walk-in closet, which is great. And then the toilet itself is separate, so you've got privacy in there. So very nice spa type master bathroom, which is great and what you would expect in this beautiful, luxurious designed master bedroom. As we come downstairs, we've got 3 bedrooms. One of them is ensuite down here, and then another full bath to service the other 2 bedrooms. But if we go in there, we've got the Harry Potter bedroom right here. This is a little storage underneath the stairs. I always call it the Harry Potter bedroom, and people usually laugh. Hopefully you laughed at that, my corny joke, right? Tahoe Tony's known for his corny jokes. In here, we've got a really nice utility room, very easy access. The owners here are really good about servicing everything, so you should be pretty confident everything's gonna work nicely. And then we come down the hall, and we've got a really nice bedroom here with its own bath. Really good sized bedroom with lots of light and windows, and you can fit a pretty good sized bed in here. I'd be very comfortable in here. So coming out of the ensuite bedroom, we have a full bath here to service this bedroom, which here's another really good sized bedroom. And then we have one more bedroom over here coming down the hallway. This is the 4th bedroom. And a lot of times I've sold quite a few, I think like 18 of these units in this complex. A lot of people are using this as a 4th bedroom, but it's also an office. I'm seeing some really smartly designed offices in here as well. It's a little bit smaller than the other 2 bedrooms. It's still a very good sized room, but a lot of people have either turned this into a gym or an office. With a nice sized house like this, you've got a good sized laundry room here. We've got shelves, we've got the washer and dryer, which are included in the sale, and a sink. Sink's big enough to wash a very small dog. I was showing property to some friends yesterday, and they had the dog was 3.5 pounds. It's super cute. So it would fit in here, not other dogs, but there is a tub here. So if you needed to wash pets or small ones, there is a tub, but just made me think of that little dog when I saw this little sink. So this unit comes with a 2-car garage, which is attached. I really like that. And it's a full-size 2-car door. Some of the units in here have a split, which to me is just attracts your front fender. Just a total fender scratcher. Anyways, this one has the full-size door. I like that. They put in some nice cabinets for extra storage, which is always helpful. And then we've got racks for skis and bikes, and these fold. So if you need more room here, you can just lift these up and they fold in. Very smartly designed. A great garage for a great house. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I've enjoyed making it. I am Tahoe Tony. I am the managing broker for eXp Luxury Real Estate on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe. And if you're looking to make the move to Lake Tahoe and you'd like to enjoy this and be in a tax-friendly state where you don't have to pay state income tax, reach out to me. Somebody on my team will get back to you, whether it's an email, a phone call, or a text. And I guarantee you this will be the best real estate experience you've ever had. Wouldn't you want to live here? Isn't this beautiful?